Finally, today is the day we get to buy my dream bike. It's a Sur-Ron LBX, and we're buying it from Facebook Marketplace for an absolute steal. I've wanted this bike for a long time, so let's go.
She wishing I would put her in the mix. Shorty got a taste and now she wants a fix. You know how it gets, but I'ma have to hit you in a...
We're driving to the meetup now. I'll catch you guys when we get the bike. We got the bike in the garage now, and this thing is super nice. We already took out the battery because we're gonna wash this thing, and we have so many bikes now. We're just using some of this stuff. We just washed everything off, and it's looking super good now. We're gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'll clean the rest. I'm just gonna really quick swap this rear fender for a shorter one and take off these fork decals. We just took the seat off, now we have to unscrew these bolts. All right, we got it off, and we're gonna be replacing it with this short fender, which I think looks a lot better. The seat with the new fender is on. Now we have to take off these fork decals. All right, guys, we just got the bike out of the garage, and I'm already in love with this thing. The short ride I had on it, it's super good, and it looks very good as well. I'm gonna go really test this thing out now, though. We're on the Sur-Ron now, and I already love this thing. It's super smooth. It's just like so good. This is already my favorite bike. It's the perfect size for me, and I'm 5'10", or like about 5'10". And this bike feels so good. I'm pretty sure this thing already has upgraded suspension, or at least rear suspension, and it's super good. The brakes are bled very nicely. They're pretty good. The only thing that's like really wrong with it is they're kind of squeaky. But I heard that that's a common thing on these brakes because they're like mountain bike brakes or something. They still work fine and stop the bike, so that's not really an issue for me. It's pretty windy today, and also like I'm a little sick right now, so I probably sound really weird. Hopefully my microphone's good. Let's check the top speed of this thing out. So we're at 43, 44, 45, 46. We got 46. We got 46 miles an hour, which isn't that bad. That's pretty good, actually. That's almost as fast as my Razor, which is my fastest bike. Alright, so this is the first mode. This is like the slower mode. And this thing works, foot drags pretty nicely. I mean, right now I have a smaller rear sprocket on, which makes it a lot less torquey. So that's why it's like not as good right now. Jumps are so fun for some reason. Like, even though my jumps are like pretty bad, they're still like super fun to do. I just love hitting them all the time. Alright, we're good. Let's hit this thing. We have to hit that one a little bit faster. This bike is so much better at hitting jumps. The suspension for this one is like actually dialed. One more. Let's go back to the street. Yeah, sport mode is definitely a lot easier to wheelie on. The balance on this bike is actually so good. Like, I could just like no hand, I can stand up and like no hand. It's like, it doesn't even lean to the side at all. This is by far my best bike yet. I'm gonna have so many good videos coming over the summer, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out. Also, this is the perfect time to announce that at 10,000 subs, I'm giving away an e-bike. So if you want the chance to enter, just like, subscribe, and comment, and you could win the bike. Just make sure you have public subscribers turned on. I freaking love this thing, bro. It's so fun. And it's like actually a good sized bike. And it just feels so much higher quality than like all my other bikes. It's like so smooth. It's like tires are like a lot bigger, which makes it like a lot better. Lastly, if you know any companies or own any companies that might want to send out some parts for the build, please email me in the description below or in my bio. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I have some crazy videos planned for this summer, so make sure you subscribe to see them. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
Brand new bike. Hey, brand new shoes.